Hello world, this is Mike Pierre, and today I'm going to show you how to use getters and setters in Java. I'm using Eclipse, and the first thing I did was set up a project. I call it um, Setter Getter Basics. You can call this project anything you want if you know how to create a project on Eclipse. Okay, so technically I created two classes. Okay, one is going to pass all my information, which is basically my main screen. It has it's public static and it's the main string. And then I have the first class. So what I'm gonna be doing here is creating two variables. I'm gonna call it private int, well, string, um, first name, and then the second one is gonna be private string last name. Okay, and I'm gonna show you a little trick. If you right click and you go to hold on, sorry. If you go to source, you'll see us say generate getters and setters. You got your generate to string, which is really used. So, but we're gonna generate getters and setters, and then we're gonna create it for first name and last name, and then this is public. Okay, and then it creates your getters and setters. You probably just wanna um dock it for Java doc first name, get first name method at return first name. Okay, so over here everything's generated. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna want to access this class. So what we're gonna do is go to our main and we're gonna type in first class, my class gets new first class up class. Okay, so technically we're gonna access that class. We're gonna put system out syso control. If you press sy, if you type in syso and then press control then space, it would automatically generate the system out print line. And then we're gonna put my class, well, actually first my class dot get, well, we're setting, so dot set first name, and then we're gonna put Michael, and then my class dot set last name, and we are gonna put Pierre. Okay, it's really important to start getting into object-oriented programming for two reasons: because it's really good, it saves you time, and it's more organized. I mean, I'm making a mess with the class names and everything, but I'm just showing you an example of what's actually going on. So I'm gonna get this information. So what I'm gonna put is my class dot get first name, and I've been having problems with my computer all day and yesterday. I don't know why. And then we want to concatenate this, and you use a plus symbol for concatenation in Java. My class dot get last name. So technically, if we run this, we should be getting Michael Pierre. So if I want to concatenate it and put like, oh, my first name is Michael Pierre, I would do this. My first name is Michael Pierre. Well, obviously my first name is, and then let's run this. My first name is Michael Pierre. I figured I'll show you how to build a constructor. It's fairly simple. Do some research on it. So I'm gonna call the constructor first first class, and I'm gonna set first name, and I'm gonna put first name, and then set last name, and then I'm gonna put last name. Okay, so let me save that. And now I'm gonna create a toString. Public string, toString, oops, string, string, result, return, result. Okay, and I'm gonna put result gets my name is concatenate first name, put a space, concatenate again, taking it easy, last name. Okay, now if I wanted to print this toString, SYSO control space. Okay, so my class dot toString, save it, and let's run this, see what happens. My name is Michael Pierre. So it's pretty much easier to create a toString. There's reasons why behind that. When I teach you guys how to extend classes, inherit from other classes, you'll see it'll be a good practice to use toStrings, I think. I may be wrong, but that's what that's how I learned. So I hope you did get some knowledge from this video, and join me next time. Have a good day.